Today we're looking at the professional gauge kit. I love the box that it comes in. Nice hard protective box. You can see how everything is professionally placed right from factory. And you can see your full gauge set here. I do recommend keeping this box. It is a really nice storage case. The gauges appear to be of high quality. Oh, that's cool. So they make it that you can actually take this out. Again, fully professional. High quality, full professional kit. I've reviewed similar sets like this before and definitely have not been this high quality. And not to mention, not only have other sets not been this high quality, they didn't come in a case like this that makes everything portable if you need it to be portable.